Hi guys, this is Richard from PageFly. Sorry to see you go. In this video, I will guide you how to completely uninstall PageFly from your store. Please note that after uninstalling the app, to be sure you should check and delete all PageFly code in the theme. Please contact our live chat support to get help. First of all, let's explore how to uninstall PageFly inside the app. To uninstall PageFly app, go to Preferences, Account, Uninstall PageFly. Click on Next to move to the next step. The data handling box will appear. Please note that if you uninstall PageFly, all PageFly-owned data, including all PageFly pages and sections, page analytic data, option swatches, uploaded fonts, configured global styles, trashed items, and unused berry coins will be deleted forever even if you reinstall the app. Please note that all published pages and sections will remain visible, but you will not be able to edit them. However, theme templates and assets created by PageFly will be remained. You will have additional option to delete theme data generated by PageFly if you click on this option. It means that own PageFly data and data generated by PageFly in Shopify theme, including all images, custom fonts, published and unpublished pages, and sections will be deleted simultaneously. You cannot recover when reinstalling PageFly. This will cause any pages created with PageFly to not display correctly in live view. If you want to keep your published pages intact, you should not select the option to remove this data. To move the next step, you must click on I understand what I'm doing to uninstall PageFly. When you click the uninstall button, the uninstall process will be started. While the page is in the process of removing data, it won't be able to switch to other pages, and all click actions will be disabled. If you close or reload the page, data will stop being removed, but previously deleted data will be lost on the PageFly app. After finishing, the screen will pop up the one final step box. If you click on Cancel button, it will back to the app screen, but all data was deleted. To finish the process, click the Go to Shopify Settings button. It will direct you to Shopify apps page. Click the Uninstall button on the right of PageFly app. Then select the reason you want to uninstall PageFly. Hit Uninstall to complete this process. The Shopify apps page will show a notification to confirm that PageFly app has been deleted. Next, we will proceed to the next step, which involves uninstalling PageFly by deleting code. In case you delete PageFly app before uninstalling it completely, you can reinstall the app and do it. If you don't want to reinstall, you can delete PageFly codes and theme code manually. To completely delete the code, please contact live chat for assistance with complete code deletion. You can do it by yourself by clicking on Online Store, then navigate to Action button and select Edit Code in the drop-down menu. Search for PageFly in the search bar to filter all PageFly.liquid files. Click on each page to open it, and then click the Delete File button here to remove PageFly.liquid files. Then you need to find the theme.liquid file and open it. Find all PageFly code and delete them. After that, scroll down and click Locales here. Open this JSON file, delete all PageFly code like this. In the case with the product page and collection page, you assign one product page to many products, you need to take one more step. Find product.liquid, collection.liquid, and index.liquid, and open them. Then with each liquid file, you need to revert it to the original version like this. Finally, you have the option to downgrade in order to retain your PageFly data. Instead of uninstalling PageFly, you can downgrade from a paid plan to a free plan. You can still edit pages which you had built and use all PageFly's elements and features. To do that, from PageFly dashboard, navigate to Preferences, click on the Change Plan button. You will get to the pricing table where you can downgrade to the free plan. With the free plan, you have one slot section or page publishable. The other pages will be unpublished and will not show on your store anymore. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials and contact us via live chat 24/7 if you need any assistance. Thanks for watching.